Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi, friends! Today, we're drawing and coloring a super cute duck dressed with magic stars. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, I draw the face and the side of the cape. Then I draw the eyes, beak, and mouth. Next, I draw the wizard hat on top of the head. Then I draw the hand. After that, I draw the collar and the legs. Next, I draw the stars on the hat, the magic wand in the duck's hand. And I add some stars outside for extra magic. Now it's time to color. First, I use black for the eyes and inside the mouth. Then I use gray for the middle of the eyes, face, and body. Next, I use red for the beak, mouth, wizard hat, and magic wand. I use blue for the cape. I use light blue for the shoes and the collar of the cape. Finally, I use yellow for all the stars to make them shine. And that's it. Our cute little duck dress is ready to cast some magic spells. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Tiny Hands Art. Bye!